According to multiple international news outlets, the tale of Jessica Redclif, a skilled orca trainer, has taken a heartbreaking turn that left audiences around the world stunned. For years, Jessica worked at one of the world's leading marine parks, captivating thousands of visitors with breathtaking performances alongside killer whales. Known for her deep passion and strong bond with these magnificent creatures, she often insisted that trust and understanding were the foundations of her success. However, during what would become her last show, events took a tragic twist. As several eyewitnesses recall, the atmosphere of excitement suddenly shifted to shock when the orca, sudden and forceful, left the crew unable to intervene in time. Clips circulating online under titles such as Jessica Redclif have gone viral, fueling intense discussions on social media. Some see the Jessica Redclif whale attack as a harsh reminder of the risks of working with wild animals, while others question the accuracy of the Jessica Redclif orca incident story. Regardless, the Jessica Redclif last video and the tragic Jessica Redclif accident remain etched in public memory, a powerful warning about the unpredictable instincts of nature, no matter how well trained the animal. Do you believe this was a tragic accident or something more? Share your thoughts below.